These are my ingredients which I'm going to use to make my smoothie. So here I have yogurt. This is a probiotic yogurt. Guys, this yogurt is very, very healthy. As you can see, it's written improves digestion and well-being. And in my case, I'm going to use natural. This one has no flavor. So guys, I will always recommend this yogurt. It's very healthy. And another thing, I have watermelon. I have pawpaw. I have ripe mango and dragon fruit. I know many of you don't know this fruit. This fruit is very sweet and very, very healthy. Some of you might know it and some of you might not know it. But this one, it's called dragon fruit. Very, very healthy. So let's move on to the next step. I'm going to start by peeling the mango. I'm adding the yogurt. You can use yogurt of your choice. Not a must use exactly this. Then a little bit of water because the yogurt is very thick. Cover your blender. Make sure it's very tight. Now let's blend the juice. And guys, I forgot to mention, you can add sugar, but sugar is optional. For me, I prefer not to add sugar because the fruits already have their natural sweetness, so I don't need more sugar. But if you are a sweet tooth, you can add a little bit of sugar, or you can use the flavored yogurt instead. Our smoothie is ready, guys. Look at that. So next I'm going to serve it.